Hello people, in this video let us look at this book of community medicine with recent advances by A.H. Suryakanta. This cover seems to have photos of Ronald Ross malaria, Robert Koch tuberculosis, Louis Pasteur rabies, Edwin Chadwick sanitation, Patrick Manson filariasis, John Snow cholera, he's the father of epidemiology, right? Albert Sabin polio vaccine. Oh, polio vaccine is Sabin. Okay, that's Sabin. Yes, we have heard Sabin, Salk and all that. Edward Jenner, yes, smallpox. He discovered the vaccines, right? So Robert Koch, Koch disease, tuberculosis. So you know all these. So basically this book is pretty huge. Look at the content of the book just overall. A little less boring than Park. Otherwise, it's the same stuff, a lot of text, no much images, right? That's how community medicine books are. Look at the content, guys. You have basic concepts of community medicine, concept of health, prevention, environment, water, housing, light. That's good. Then you have nutrition and health, occupational health. All the pneumoconiasis comes here, pneumoconiosis, okay? Then epidemiology, you have infectious diseases, epidemiology, communicable diseases. Communicable infectious aren't same or what? I think here they're going by the name of the disease, okay. Here they're talking in general, isn't it? Okay. Epidemiology of communicable diseases. Then you have, there's something called as waterborne diseases. So typhoid, cholera, polio. Then I have heard some water wash diseases or something. There are a lot of other terminologies. Then here you have soil-borne diseases, ascariasis, that is roundworm, right? Ankylostomiasis. Why do I feel this is hookworm, isn't it? Have I forgotten? Yes, guys, that is hookworm only, ankylostomiasis, okay? Then you have vector-borne disease, so many vector-borne disease. You need to know the epidemiology of most of these you can learn, okay? If not all. Sexually transmitted infections. So many sexually transmitted infections. They didn't list the names here. Okay, surface infections. Rabies, leprosy, yaws are surface infections, okay? How's it going, people? We are looking at the community medicine textbook by Suryakanta. So here, a list of non-communicable diseases also you just pay attention to. Cardiovascular diseases, obesity, cancer, diabetes, mellitus, accidents, blindness and stress. When it comes to blindness, you can say glaucoma, cataract are non-communicable. But when you come to trachoma and all that, they will be communicable. What do you say? So here they are having biostatistics, family planning. Basically, these are what? Health related. Then guys, you have health administration and organization. What is this? Millennial development goals, sustainable development goals. All these terminologies you will be hearing. You should know these. Then national health mission. Okay. International health. Before that, national health policy, international health organizations. What will come in international health organizations, guys? United Nations, World Health Organization, UNICEF, right? UNICEF is where here? Can you find UNICEF here? Yes, it is this one, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Now they have removed this emergency word, so it is just UNCF now. National health programs. Somebody asks you to list a few national health programs, okay? Just look at how many are there. Whoops, all these are national health programs. Vitamin A prophylaxis program, that's nice, all the national health programs. Contents in this book itself is so huge and so detailed. I like the contents at least. You don't have to search much in detail. Some colored images also present in this book. I don't think many, but at least some. This is what? Leprosy, right? Polar lepromatous, advanced lepromatous leprosy with diffuse infiltration coupled with nodules over eyebrows, cheeks, ala nasae, chin, as well as earlobes. So this is polar lepromatous, advanced lepromatous leprosy. What is this? Erythema nodosum leprosum, ENL, multiform subcutaneous and erythematous ENL, that is erythema nodosum leprosum, lesions in patients with lepromatous leprosy. Okay. Let's turn a few pages here. Housing. See, housing standards. Look at this e-toilets. Nowadays I'm seeing this e-toilets in many places in Bangalore. E-toilet is India's first unmanned electronic public toilet. It's portable, made of stainless steel. Yeah. It's kind of complicated though. It looks like a metal box. Chapter nutrition and health, guys. So you'll have to do a lot of calculation here, right? Diet, balanced diet and all that. Look at this. If it is a man who is a sedentary worker, how much proteins he need per day? Visible fat, woman. Okay. Hey, her photo for Nalgonda technique, defluorination, guys. They've explained nicely. Looks like put 40 liter water, alum, bleaching powder, lime, then stir it for 10 minutes and settling hour. There is a tap here, water for use. So what and all are you putting in this? You're putting with the water, alum, bleaching powder and lime. 3 things. So guys, in nutrition you should know that protein, energy, malnutrition. Okay. Let's move on. What is this? Occupational health, disability, limitation, rehabilitation, plumbism. Plumbism is what? Lead poisoning, right? So let's turn a few pages here. So much of information, okay, and you need to know everything. This is talking about oral polio vaccine, rota vaccine, fractional dose IPV. Fractional means they'll give intradermal, right? So what are they talking about here? Fractional, yes, fractional is here. This is oral polio vaccine is oral, rota is oral, fractional is intradermal. This is PCV, that is pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, pentavalent. Okay. What is this photo? Where and all you will give it looks like. Oral, anyways, you'll put in the mouth. Pentavalent, you will give here. PCV, you're giving right side. Fractional, they're giving intradermal here. Looks like. But at least some images will help us remember things. Unlike Park, this at least has some images. What do you think, guys? This is the community medicine textbook, actually with recent advances by A.H. Suryakanta. Let's see how much we have finished. This much. Let's just flip a lot of pages and go ahead. Dengue. Okay. Antenatal clinic, guys. Okay, then what are they talking about here? Okay, look at this photo here. Services and beneficiaries of ICDS. ICDS is what? Integrated Child Development Services. Who and all will benefit, guys? Integrated Child Development Services. That means child, right? What do you say? Interestingly, beneficiaries are children 0 to 6 years, expectant mothers, lactating mothers, other mothers of reproductive age. 15 to 45 years, all women they're covering. Okay. So this is mainly a child welfare program. Mothers are also included as beneficiaries. This book is a little more appealing than Park when you're reading, like when we go back to this one, right? You want to know the services that ICDS gives you. You feel like, okay, there it is there. It's a very nice, the way it is presented, it looks a little more appealing. Right? What are the services of ICDS? I will ask you, then you will say nutrition, immunization, education, healthcare, referral, supportive services. So you will be able to say the services of ICDS much more easily, isn't it? Flipping a few more pages here in this textual book. No images, okay? Not many images. You have to deal with all this. Okay, there's an image here. Let's see what this is. FDC drugs. FDC means what? Food. And this in this case FDC can mean fixed dose combination, guys, because look at this photo is tubercular, anti-tubercular drugs. It has rifampicin, isoniazid, pyrazinamide and ethambutol. So this is a fixed dose, what did I say? Fixed dose combination. Okay, so all these national programs, right? What chapter is this? National health program. So each program you can write if they ask, right? This is what? National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment. Objectives of this program you will write. Then you will write the strategies, administrative setup, who will be there at the central level, who will be there at the regional level, state level, district level. Even rural level is there. And what have these people achieved for all these years? Let's flip a few more pages. Oh, this is Ebola, right? Yeah, Ebola virus magnified. And what is this one? This is also Ebola. This is in the chapter Emerging and Re-emerging Infectious Diseases. Look at this, there's a whole chapter on integrated management of childhood illness. In this, I think they will ask you which are the diseases covered. See here, important causes of childhood deaths: acute respiratory infections, mostly pneumonia, diarrhea, measles, malnutrition, malaria. So you'll have to mention 4 M's are there: measles, malaria, malnutrition, then acute respiratory infection, ERI, and diarrhea. So these 5 you will have to write, right, guys? Curative component. In the components of this integrated management of childhood illness, you will have to mention these 5 other diseases, okay? Curative component. It's complicated, isn't it? That is what is all about community medicine. Objectives, components, principles, goals, targets. Telemedicine and public health. Telemedicine nowadays, because of coronavirus, we have a lot of telemedicine, right? A lot of people are taking advantage of that. There are benefits and disadvantages of telemedicine. Public health acts. So the law, legislation looks like the Census Act 1948. Remember at least that one, right? This one, Census Act, Epidemic Diseases Act. Now this is there, isn't it? Because of Corona, they have implemented a lot of these acts, right? Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, MTP Act. You should know all that, right? Interesting. Don't worry, guys. We are almost at the end of this book. So we are done with this book of community medicine with recent advances by A.H. Suryakanta. Happy reading community medicine, guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye.